All right, welcome back. This video is for week 3, activity 2 on the power reducing formulas. This checkpoint number 4 is going to look a lot like example 4, so if you needed to follow a pattern, hopefully that worked. And if you did, the first thing you would have seen was that you tried to break this particular term down into having exponent 2's. So what we're doing is we're reducing the power, and this is something that you probably just knew from algebra class, that power of 4 could be broke down into 2 squared. So that was the first thing. And now I'm going to use the power reducing formula for sine squared x. And that would equal 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. And I still have that exponent 2 on the outside. So that's the next step. I'm going to go ahead and multiply out that exponent 2. That means for the numerator I'm doing FOIL. First times first would be 1. My outsides would be minus cosine 2x. My insides would be another minus cosine 2x. And last times last would get me positive cosine squared of 2x. Worst plus sign ever. Alright, and then denominator 2 squared, which would be 4. Alright, now I'm going to clean that numerator up a little bit. I got some like terms. I got 2 minus cosine 2x's, so 1 minus 2 of those. And then plus cosine squared of 2x all over 4. All right, my next step is to break this up into 3 smaller fractions, since the numerator has 3 terms. The first term, 1, gets its denominator 4, then a minus, and then 2 cosine 2x, also denominator 4, and then positive cosine squared 2x, also denominator 4. Alright, so now I got to do a little bit of cleaning up. This first fraction, 1/4, that has no cleaning up necessary. That is just going to be 1/4. The second fraction, I can reduce the 2/4 out front down to 1/2. So that's going to be minus cosine 2x over 2. I didn't need to write the times by 1. And then this third fraction has another cosine squared. So we're going to use the power reducing formula for cosine on that one. So we'll keep the over 4, but my numerator is going to get a little ugly. So the cosine formula would be 1 plus cosine 2x. Well, the x was already a 2x. So then times that by 2, I now have 4. And then all over 2. Now that's ugly. Fraction inside of a fraction. So for this third term here, I am going to do the keep, change, flip thing. So I don't have that anymore. I change it to a multiply. So I got 1/4 minus cosine 2x over 2. And now I have this. I have 1 plus cosine 4x in the numerator, because timesing by 1 didn't change anything. And then denominator 2 times 4 now makes 8. Alright, my next step is to do the same thing as I did earlier. I need to split that third term up into smaller parts. So these first 2 pieces here are fine. But this third term, they both get divided by 8. So I'm going to split that up. The 1 divided by 8 and the cosine 4x divided by 8. Then I'm going to try to combine my like terms. And I've got 2 fractions here, 1/4, 1/8. 1/4 is the same as 2/8 plus 1/8 makes 3/8. There's my whole number term. And then minus cosine 2x over 2. And then plus cosine 4x over 8. And we have done what we've been asked to do, which is to rewrite that without any exponents. All right. Have a great day.